I was once an adventurer just like yourself, but then I got stung from a bee in my knee.
Welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna make bee's knees. This cocktail is identical to a gimlet or any other classic sour cocktails. What makes this so different is the honey syrup, and that's what we're gonna make first with a 50-50 ratio with honey and warm water. So in a cocktail shaker, add 30 ml of the honey syrup you just made, 30 ml of lime juice, and 60 ml of gin. Add 2 big ice cubes and get ready to shake.
And I really love a good sour. And one of my favorite sour cocktails are the Gold Digger, which basically is the same as this one, but with a bourbon or a whiskey instead. There's just something about the honey that makes the cocktail get more depth.
But now prepare a chilled whiskey glass, fill it up with ice, and double strain the cocktail into it. If you have not tried one of these honey cocktails, there is no better time to try them right now. So give it a try, give us some feedback. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in another video tomorrow. Bye!